Welcome to the weekend BSW Girls Explosion. Hey everyone, I am super excited. We are at the 6th annual weekend BSW Girls Explosion. We are about to go and pick up the girls from the location, and we are super excited to have our sponsor, Message of Freedom Church, to come out and support us and go get our girls. So stay tuned.
Tennessee, and so y'all, the room and stuff, it's really nice. I thought we was gonna be in the hotel, but we live in luxury, so whatever. Real nice. We got some game rooms. We got our pool indoor. Of women and girls signifies we all have a common goal. Down to gain confidence, grow personally,
And lastly,
develop a positive reputation, of giving back, BSW
our own, but it starts with you if you decide you want to get in that field. Okay, but today it's real simple. 10 minutes, we're going to create lava lamps.
We just did a DIY lava lamp. We used food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, mineral oil, and water. My name is Caitlin, and this is the first day of the Girls Explosion. It was so fun. We did so many things today. We had a great talk, and we just did DIY lava lamps.
Lord, for everybody mindset with positivity. Let everybody have a sound mind and a sound mindset. Give everybody peace, Lord, and let everybody know that you are by their side.
Use this space wisely. Use this moment wisely.
Today, and it's very fun here. It makes me feel at home. I really like it here. We have these administrators, these women who we can talk to, like when we feeling a little bit down or whatever, and I like that they want to be here for us.
Hey y'all, so y'all are missing such an amazing weekend. The ladies, the girls, the mentors, the mentees, we have been vibing, big energy all weekend.
This is my first year with BSW, and it has been a wonderful experience. I actually feel like it's been too short. I feel like it should be longer. But in this experience, I was able to get stuff off my heart that I never have just opened up about. We cried, we laughed, we had fun.
And Miss Dominique and the rest of the mentors, they just they just give me a vibe that I needed. If I ain't had nobody to talk to, or I feel like I didn't have nobody, I can definitely call on them now.
Danielle. This is my first time doing anything with VSW Girls Explosion, and I'm super excited to be here. I'm enjoying myself. Everything's been perfect, and I'm super excited that I'm a girl under it, and just want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to be here.
To be here with my girls as we're celebrating, as we're mentoring, as we're leading, as we're building. This year we focus on mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional health, and I am so excited to be here. Listen, girls are everything. They are our future. Please make sure that you always invest in your girls, invest in the children, teach them, show them, be the example that they need for you. As I leave you today, I'm going to leave you with this. Become what you needed as a child. Thank you. So here we are tonight, going to release these balloons and let go and let God.
Beautiful Spirited Women would like to thank the following sponsors for supporting the 2023 Girls Explosion: Sparkling Ice, Freedom Preparatory Academy, Southern Black Girls, Melistic BT Terrell, KS Media and Publishing, Royal Neighbor of America, Huey's Restaurant, Ross Cooling and Heating, Walmart, Captivating Balloons, WREG News Channel 3, AA Cleaning Services, Black Girl Sunscreen, Dial, Create 10 Designs, D. Leon's Delight, Frost Bake Shop, Baked by Bacchus, Pretty Ponytails, Happy Smiles, Smile Orthodontics, J&S Event Planning, Xandria's Dessert Boutique, and to all our individual sponsors and partners also.